what chemical symbols are, how to find the electric configuration, and much more. The periodic table of elements was founded by Dmitri Mendeleev in 1869. Since then, the periodic table has been refined and expanded. It now has 118 elements, 94 of which were found by nature and 24 were found synthetically. It is also separated into categories for which they are four: alkaline metals, alkaline earth, basic metals, halogens, noble gases, nonmetals, rare earth, semi-metals, and transition metals.
These are alkaline metals. These are alkaline earth. These are nonmetals. These are halogens. These are basic metals. These are noble gases. These are semi-metals. These are transition metals. These are rare earth.
On a periodic table is set up in a very organized manner. And the center of the top has the atomic number of protons, and the middle has the atomic symbol of the element. Below that has the average atomic mass of the element, and the bottom has the element name. All of these squares make up the periodic table of elements.
Finding an element using the electron configuration, first you need to know the blocks, and the blocks include S, D, P, and F. Okay, so this is row 1, and this is in the S block, and this has 2 in it, but that one's over there. For this would be 1, and then S, and then 2, because it includes 2 in the whole section of S. That goes the same for the section P. P has 6 all along, but it's row 2, so it would go 2, P6 is like a whole line, and then 3, P6, 4, P6, and it continues from there. Same with D, and same with F. Say if you wanted to find iron, for instance, you would go 1, S, and then 2, and then you come back and you go 2, S, 2, and then you come all the way over here and you go 2, P6, because you have to go all the way through, and then you come back and you go 3, S2, and then 3, P6, you come back and you go 4, S2, and then 3, D, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 3D6. So to write that out, you'd go 1, S2, and then 2, S2, and then 2, P6. Then you jump back and you go 3, S2, then 3, P6, and then 4, S2, and 4, 3, D6 for finding iron. But there's also another way to do it, and that's where you go from the noble gases. And so you find the noble gas right before the one that you would find for your element that you're looking for. So say you're finding iron again, you'd go argon, and you come back here and write A, R, in little parentheses, and then you would go from here and you'd write 4, S2, and then 3, D6. So it's the same as this, except you're pretty much just Xing out all this and taking that and putting it here, because you don't have to write it again if you state the noble gas that's before it.
Columns are the number of electrons in the outer shell. For example, hydrogen has 1 electron in the outer shell, and beryllium has 2 electrons in its outer shell, and so on. These are also called as the valence electrons. Rows, on the other hand, are different. They are the number of shells in each one of the elements. On top of each column, it has the charges. There are positive charges and negative charges. The positive charges are called cations, and the negative charges are called anions. Columns 1, 2, 3, and 4 are positive ions, and 5, 4, 5, 6, 7 are negative ions. But noble gases don't have a charge. Atoms are found in food, fertilizers, poisons, but also they are 3% of your weight.
The only letter that doesn't appear on the periodic table of elements is J.
The body contains enough graphite to make about 9,000 pencils.
The only elements that are liquid at room temperature are bromine and mercury.
I like to tell chemistry jokes periodically.
Chemistry jokes are so damn funny. I slapped my knee on that one.
You can take all your chemistry jokes and bury them.
I tell another chemistry joke, but all the good ones are gone.